everyone, Donna here and welcome to my channel. Today let's make the very simple baon recipe or lunch packer recipe, which is the gluten steak. And of course I am using a vegetarian meat or gluten. So slice your gluten into cubes. So as much as possible, slice your gluten into a bigger cubes. And same thing with your potato, slice your potato into a smaller cubes. Okay, so that's it. Your potato is much smaller than your gluten. So let's prepare for your marinade mixture. 1/2 cup of soy sauce and 1/2 cup of vinegar. Same thing, 1/2 cup of ketchup. Squeeze it properly. Parsley. Onion powder. And your garlic powder. You can also use fresh garlic if you want. Marinate this for about 2 hours, or much better if you can marinate this one overnight. You can also add sugar, or you can put pineapple juice as well if you want. So let's marinate this one for 2 hours. So I guess this one is now ready, and all we need to do is deep fry the gluten and the potato. And for a much healthier option, you can use the air fryer. But for now, I want to use deep fry. All you have to do is deep fry your gluten and your potato into golden brown. Okay, golden brown, not charcoal dark. Perfect golden brown. So next is slice your onions into smaller cubes as well. Your spring onions, garlic, and 1/2 cup of water. our sauce, we will just saute the garlic, the onions, the spring onions, and a little of your marinade mixture, water, and cornstarch. This time I will add a little bit of sugar, 1 spoon of brown sugar. Just simmer it until your sauce is a little bit thick. Now this time add the water with the cornstarch. Let's taste. Kanin na lang kulang. So for those of you who are looking for a gluten recipe or on how to make the gluten, I will just drop the link below. And this is a very easy recipe, and for a busy mama out there like me, sometimes I'm busy, sometimes I'm not. But if you are busy, you can cook this one so easily. Preparation time is less than 15 minutes. Cooking time is less than 30 minutes. So all in all, in just 30 minutes or 45 minutes, you can cook everything. So what are you waiting for? Let's assemble the lunch for my husband. So for all the busy mommy and wife out there, and if you are looking for a healthy option, this is one of the simple yet nutritious lunch pack recipes. And I do hope you like my recipes for today, and thank you so much for being with me. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave comments down below. And if you're looking for the gluten recipe, I will just put the link down below. And please don't forget to hit the bell button so that you will be updated for my future vlog. Thank you and goodbye. So Hans, here's your lunch. Enjoy!